Alison's sister. Today we'll be learning some words of Spanish. Hey guys, you can learn Spanish too. First word is hola. It is hello in Spanish. Next word is so listo. It is how are you in Spanish. Third word is adios. It is bye in Spanish. These are basic words that you can learn. Next Spanish word is sí. It means yes. Well, with these words you can confuse your parents and your friends. Hey, Ashley, see. See where? Here? There. Alex. Alex, why are you standing? Oh my god, Alex can stand. Anyways, back to the topic. Next is rojo. It means red in Spanish. Next is anaranjado. It is orange. Third is amarillo. Fourth, amarillo means yellow. Fourth is verde. And verde is green. Next we have azul. It's blue in Spanish. Next is rosado. It is pink. And after that we have blanco. It is white. Then we have negro, which is black, and marron, which is brown. Okay, that's enough. Bye kids. It was a great chance meeting you all. Bye. Hey guys, please like, share, and subscribe. It gives me more motivation to create more videos. Thank you very much.